What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Galaxy A54 smartphone launch date, price and every single detail which you need to know about this phone is finally getting out as the launch event is happening, and we will be mentioning the link in the description below for its online YouTube event. And also the price are going to be a bit of a shocking for the Galaxy A54 and the Galaxy A34 smartphones. While talking about its specification, then the Galaxy A34 will be available in 6 plus 128 and 8 plus 128, whereas the A54 5G will be available in 8 plus 128GB variant and 8 plus 256. Samsung's own online event happening on YouTube on 15th of March. And not only that, we will also cover the Galaxy A34 5G. Now, what's also being known about this smartphone is that Samsung will be focusing this time more on the camera system, and this time around the camera system will be upgraded to the 50 megapixel of a primary camera. Now it's a downgrade from the 64 megapixel currently having in the Samsung smartphone, but with a better AI and optimization. Not only that, it will also be supporting an OIS in the smartphone in the primary camera, and the rest two cameras are going to be a telephoto camera and the ultra wide camera. Now there are still certain doubts whether it will be a telephoto camera or a macro or depth sensor just to cover up the numbers. We have to wait for the official event for that. Now, moving forward, about the power of the smartphone, then it will be powered by this time not a Snapdragon processor as we have seen earlier, but it will be an Exynos 1380 processor. Now, this processor, in terms with comparison to Snapdragon, it is near to the Snapdragon 778G processor, which we have seen in the Galaxy A52 or in fact even in the Galaxy M52 series of smartphone. Now, this is an Exynos processor owned by the Samsung only, and you will also be getting a 5G this time around. Now, the high performance of this processor and the Geekbench scores, as you can see, are decent enough and not so great enough, but they are decent enough to cover up for the Snapdragon 778G processor. And not only that, if we talk more about this phone, then this phone also be coming with a 120Hz of high refresh rate. You will be getting an AMOLED panel, an in-display fingerprint scanner and whatnot, and this will also be an IP68 water and dust resistance. Now, apart from that, let's talk about the pricing of this smartphone. Now, last year the Galaxy A53 is expected to be was launched at $449, and the pricing will be remain similar to it, and it won't be changing anytime soon. So you can expect this smartphone to be launching at $449. And also, if you are in Indian pricing, looking for an Indian pricing, then as we said in the earlier, the Indian prices are indeed going to shock you. For starters, the Galaxy A34 will be launching for 6 plus 128GB variant for 29,999 and 8 plus 128GB for 32,499. Now, this is the pricing very heavily it's going to be criticized, and it's the pricing without any offers, and so definitely pricing will be getting lower when compared to the offers when the offers add up. Now, talking about the Galaxy A54 5G, then it will be coming for 8 plus 128GB variant for 38,000 rupees or 37,999, and the Galaxy A54 for its higher variant, which is the 8 plus 256GB variant, it's going to cost you a whopping 41,999, which is 42,000 rupees. Now again, it's without the offers, so with offers you will be getting the Galaxy A54 to be around 35,000 rupees and the price for the Galaxy A34 to be around 30,000 rupees. Now, what do you think about these insane pricing from the Samsung for these smartphones for the mid-range? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.